Hello everybody. Today I'll be solving OMMC round 2 problem 3. The problem goes, two squares with perimeter 8 intersect in a rectangle with diagonal length of 1. Given that the distance between the centers of the two squares is 2, the perimeter of the rectangle can be expressed as p. Find 10 times p. So I've drawn a diagram here. So as you can see, we have two squares centered at O1 and O2 that are a distance of 2 apart. We also have that they intersect in a rectangle with diagonal length 1, and the side lengths of the squares is 2, and I've also labeled 2 points E and F, which will be important later. So the first thing to note is that this side is parallel to this side, and this side is parallel to this side. In other words, the sides of the squares are going to be parallel to each other. And this means a translation from O1 to O2 with length 2 is going to map this square over to this square. Okay? So this translation is also going to map E, which I labeled here, to F over here. So EF equals 2 as well. So once we've seen that EF equals 2 using this translation property, we can start to apply the Pythagorean theorem. So let's say we label the points like this, A, B, C, D. Let A be equals x. Then we know that CB equals square root of 1 minus x squared. And BE equals 2 minus x. BF equals 2 minus 1 minus square root of x squared, square root of that. So we know that BE squared plus BF squared equals 4 by the Pythagorean theorem. So 2 minus x squared plus 2 minus square root of 1 minus x squared equals 4. So from here, it's just some simple algebra, which I'll just chug out over here. So you might, once we've expanded this to become this quadratic equation, you might be able to see that the sum of the roots of this quadratic equation is equal to 5 over 4. And this is equal to AB plus BC. AB plus BC equals 5 over 4, and this because AB and BC actually correspond to the roots of this quadratic equation. So we actually don't have to solve for them directly, even though you could if you really wanted to. So AB plus BC equals 5 over 4 by Vieta's formulas. So the perimeter of the rectangle is going to be 2 times AB plus BC equals 5 over 2 equals P. 10 times P equals 25. 25 is our answer, and we are done.